Is a Jetson bike. How much do you think it is? It's 549 bucks. And bam. You can get around on that thing. I don't see what the stats are.
That's cute, huh?
Yeah. What do you think?
Oh, for 600?
It's almost $600. Now they got a Razor, which is, oh, here's one here. This one is it's $129, and the Phantom, which is the big one, is $399. This one's the $399. All right. This one here is the $129. Right. So that's the $129. That is the $399. And this thing right here, electric, you're gonna get for $550. Bam, done.